Okay, Cube 2, Hypercube. Not to be confused with the film that came after it, which was Supercube 2 Hyper Edition. Now, the first cube dealt with people who felt kind of randomly thrown into a complex geometric maze that they had to use math to try to solve. This time, they do a really quick job of establishing the people that they do have some sort of correlation. And the maze itself is vastly different. Instead of being tied very much into the world of physics and math, the world of physics almost no longer applies. You can leave a cube this way, but going this way, you're not facing this way in the next cube. So you're not going, out the left, you're not out the left-hand side, going on the right side of the cube. You'll be going from the left-hand side of one cube, dropping down vertically into another cube. So the rules of physics are entirely rearranged. They also throw in other geometric concepts and shapes that appear that are done in a very, almost a cheesier CGI sort of way. Some of the kills and some places they've got that are a lot more interesting. The end of this film is bizarre. I didn't like it as much as I did the first one. The first one had, I thought, a very solid ending. This one, you could tell they tried to take the concept and try to build upon it a lot more. And it just almost kind of seemed to go in slightly needless directions. It's still very good, and it works very well in continuity from the previous story. They just threw in some additional things to, I guess, buffer the storyline more instead of just being people stuck inside a geometric maze using math. So still very good, but some of the additions they made, I would safely say, were somewhat more on the questionable side.